You can always rely on our Smart Shopper to find you savings on things you've just got to buy. Daphne Monroe gets the grocery ads earlier for you every single week. So here are the top ways to save tonight.
Save some money on split chicken breast at Bash's this week. They have it on sale for just 99 cents per pound, and you can purchase 2 packs at that price.
You can save on a gallon of milk at many Valley grocery stores this week. Bash's, Fry's, and Albertsons have them on sale for $1.89 each with a limit of 2. Get your sweet tooth satisfied for a great price because Fry's has red seedless grapes on sale for 75 cents a pound, and there's no limits. Plus, grab those coupons because Fry's is offering dollar value on all manufacturer coupons this week. In Albertsons ad this week, they have some good coupons. For example, you can save on 32-ounce bottles of Powerade, just 50 cents each, and you can buy 12 in one transaction using that coupon. Save some more money on chicken at Safeway this week. They have whole chickens for just 88 cents per pound. Save on red grapes at Pro Ranch Markets. You can buy 2 pounds for just 99 cents. You can also save on boneless, skinless, all-natural thighs at Sprouts this week. They have those thighs for just $1.88 per pound.
I'll have more Valley grocery store deals posted on our website. Just head over to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper.